everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I received this a while ago. I don't remember when, maybe the end of February. So about a couple weeks late filming this. Plain white box came in the mail. Oh, I'm sorry. And in the box, I have this super huge bottle of perfume. I have this bottle of perfume. I have this, and I'm going to leave it wrapped in the paper. This is a discovery set until I can see what that is. And this looks like there's another discovery set that might have, I'll give you a little peek down the side, little sample bottles like we get in the Macy's boxes. And this company's name is Maison d'Orient. And they reached out to me and asked if I would like to share some of these perfumes on my channel, make you aware of them. I said, sure. I mean, some of these sound wonderful. This one right here is called Maison. And this is an eau de parfum. And this is, I'm going to open it. I was going to say, I'll just tell you what it says, but let me open it. This way I can show you. Because supposedly it's a really cool bottle. Oh, goodness, I almost dropped that. That would have been upsetting if I dropped that and something happened. Let me open this. Okay, hopefully that just opened it. Let's make sure that's slipped. Trying to open this box. I don't want to destroy the... Okay. I don't want to destroy the box just yet. I mean, I'll get rid of the box. Okay, so let's see what you look like. Nicely packaged. Ooh. Oh, that's beautiful. Wow, that is a beautiful, beautiful box. Bottle and packaging right there. So this is what it looks like. Let's put it this way. So this is the label on the front, and it has a beautiful tassel on it. Let's see. This smells so nice. Beautiful. Let me see. This is just... So it is a spray, which is nice. That smells so good. I love the packaging. You can have that resting on your vanity dresser. Let's put that there. So this says, you know, it was telling me about the, you know, the tassel on it. This little paper that I have here. It says, this warm and comforting fragrance features spice gourmand and citrus blends, promising an unforgettable olfactory journey. And then they said, additionally, you will find Fearless Elixir, which is right here, a citrusy, fruity, floral concentrated perfume oil, which envelops you in vibrant citrus explosion infused with fruity sweetness, delicate florals, and warm, woody undertones. So let's open this one up. I'm not going to spray them because then that's all I'll smell. And it is, I don't know, about 6:30, 7 o'clock, almost 7 o'clock at night. I don't want to be smelling, you know, multiple different blends of perfume at the moment. Ugh. These I don't want to cut myself. I have my blade. I'm just trying to slit the top. I don't know if it's going to work, but we'll see. I'm getting the paper, but not the package. That's not going to work. I need the package. There we go. Let's get this open. Okay, let's see. Oh, another beautiful bottle. Look at that. So this is an oil. Let's see, how do you open? Screw open. Oh, and it has one of those little, like, you just rub it on your, like, your points, your where you would put your perfume. Oh, that smells so good. I'm not usually a woodsy undertone person, but it's not heavy in the woodsy undertones. Now, since this is an oil, a perfume oil, you don't need a lot of this at all. So they are those two. It says, we encourage you to apply each fragrance to the back of your palm initially, allowing them to develop fully and reveal their transformative effects on your mood and personality. It says, remember, it's not just about standing out, it's about making a statement. We believe that our fragrances have the power to captivate and inspire, and we invite you to push the boundaries and experience their magic firsthand. We have some discovery sets here. So this is a discovery set. I just got myself with that knife. Ooh. So this here, and this is the name of the brand, Maison d'Orient. And this is going to tell me about the samples that are in this bundle right here. So this is Discovery Set 2. Come on. I don't like to trash the packaging until I get some photos of the stuff. So there are 2, 4, 5 sample perfumes in here. Do they tell you what they are? Almas. They all say the same thing. Almas, Sahari. What are you? Sama. Malak. I guess that's how you say that. Doreen. So they're different. They have different names on them. This is Discovery Set 2. I'm not going to open every single one of them at the moment. And then there's another little bundle here. And this says Discovery Set. And let me see what this one has to say. Oh, this tells me, this paper tells me some notes. Unisex, gender neutral. Some of them, which tells you unisex leans feminine. The others are feminine. Getting fuzz all over me. Let's open this up and see what's in here. It's the same as what's in there. These are smaller. Oh yeah, these are much smaller, but that's okay. You don't need a lot. So in this box, I have 2 of these right here. And here's the other one. And then here, it tells me on this paper, like, what the scents are. Let me see if I can... I can't even read that. Okay, wait, I see this one. It's hard to read these. Like this very first one here in this section right here. That one sounds very interesting. Tropical Paradise. Coconut, peach, papaya, lemon, pineapple, mango, and floral notes. How do you get them out of here? Let's use the knife. Get them out of there. Okay. I am curious as to what this smells like. Do they just come right up? Oh, I can smell that through the cap. Oh, that smells nice. A lot of these, I think, will be fine for me. Let's keep them together. Paper everywhere. Citrus florals, plum, orange blossom, apple marmalade, orange honey, lily, rose, saffron, citrus sugar. I'm not sure. I'm not a big musk person, so there's a few with musk that I probably will pass on and share to somebody that doesn't mind that. That's not me. But like orange, jasmine, caramel, candy floss, white amber, oak moss, phenomenal. Florals, raspberry, cashmere wood, sandalwood, powdery musk. It would depend. But a lot of them sound really nice in that little discovery set. But you get a lot of samples in there to try and see what you like. And then to possibly order like bigger, or just keep on ordering the discovery sets. Personally, that's, my thought process there. So this package, my dogs are going to battle at the moment because one's getting jealous of the other. Oh, I'm telling you, 2 dogs sometimes is a hassle. Careful. So they sent a couple discovery sets to let me try them out. And if I, like anything of these and I would like additional bottles, nice little letter to reach out to them for a continuing collaboration, which I'm more than happy to do, but I'm not a greedy person. I'm happy with samples. Why not? Here's the first bottle with the beautiful tassel. This is the perfume oil. And then the 2 samples from Maison d'Orient. I hope I'm saying that right. Opulent Choices. I will leave all their information in my description box if you are interested to give them a look. You know, prices, I do have prices. I might list them in my description box also, but like huge bottles of perfume, I think this might have been $60 or something like that. That's a lot. That is 100 ml. Oh, I can't read that. I'll have to see if I can get that on the box. Tiny. 3.4 fluid ounces. That's a lot of perfume for the price. So go give them a look if you don't mind and see if you are interested in any of this. I know there's quite a few perfume lovers out there. And I'm happy to try all these. And I'll report back as to what I think. But they all smell lovely. Can't wait to smell all them little tiny tubes because I'm glad they sent the paper that tells me the ones that are like the coconut. And the, you know, I can't wait to smell them, wear them. I will put them in here, though, because I think that's the best. For me, it's where I like to put it and smell them. I'll give each one a try and see what I think. Thank you so much for sending these to me. I greatly appreciate it. And thank you to all of you for watching today. I greatly appreciate it. Have a great day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.